In this video, I'm going to show you how to add income in YNAB. Now, the first thing you should do if you haven't done this already, you want to go to the plan top left, and then in here on the right hand side, it says cost to be me, and then you can see you can enter your expected income. You can just click on over here, and you can enter the expected income. So for the example, I'm just going to do $2,000, and I'm going to click on save over here, and let's say this is the expected income. So of course, that's one thing, but of course, if you'd like to add new income inside YNAB, you can do that as well. You want to go to the account, to whichever you want to add it here on the left hand side. So I'm going to go to this account here, my bank account, for example, which I created. And then from within the specific account register, you want to click on this plus button, which says add transaction. And then you'll have to choose your date. So for example, let's say I have received something on the 17th of January. And then here it's going to say payee. Now, basically, payee is basically where you received the money from. So you have to describe the source of your money. This could be like a specific person, business, or maybe something more general, just like a paycheck, interest, or like gift money, or something like that. So for this instance, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on paycheck, or I'm going to type that in. There we go. And then as you can see here, you can of course set the category as well. I'm not going to do that right now. And then the most important part here is that you put this add inflow, okay? Because in the category field, this must be inflow. So as you can see, you have to do ready to assign over here if you want to do that. Now, of course, that's completely up to you. You can do that or do it later. I'm just going to click on it right now. So I'm going to do ready to assign, okay? And then inside inflow is where you have to put the amount you actually received. So let's say the paycheck was $2,000 over here, and then you can of course add memos and stuff like that, and then you can just click on save here, and this is going to be put inside your, if I go to plan, inside my ready to assign, as you can see up top here, and also my bank account balance is going to update, and it's going to basically show me an inflow of $2,000 over here. Now, that's basically how you add income in YNAB. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.